look a hot mess. But what do you do? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nia. But yeah, so remember I was telling y'all in one of my videos I was going to do the remake for my makeup tutorial. So I'm going to do that today. I'm not gonna lie, I did lose some of my makeup products. I have not done my makeup since. Matter of fact, I have not done my makeup since I first found out I was pregnant. That was the last time I did my makeup. So I'm gonna do like a natural look. I'm not gonna do nothing too crazy. As y'all can see, my wig is sliding off. I had a long day at work. It was hot outside and I didn't know, so I started sweating. And my makeup bag is up. That's how you know I have not been in this. Like, my got to be glue got caught up in it, and that's how you know I have not been in my makeup bag. But yeah, so I'm gonna do like more of a natural beat, like there's nothing but naturalness. So here I got my primer. Look, it's dusty. I got my primer, MAC. This is, I might use this. This like has natural colors in it too. It's by e.l.f. I'm trying to open it. So, and then also I might use these colors, some of the new colors that's in here. And for some of y'all, I can't find it. I can't never find shit in this bitch. Okay. Young in his back, you feel me? So I found what I was looking for. This is, it's by NYX. I don't like the way this look on me because it's too bright, but this right here, I'm about to use this on me today in the video. It's nude and I love it. Next thing I will be using, if it didn't already dry up on me, okay, cool. So I'm gonna be using this Sephora by Sephora. It's called Fonse Deep. It is Friday Deep 57. So that'll be that. And I still have this concealer. Also, I have my favorite, this again, and then my translucent powder. Then on top of that, and here's my beauty blender that I will be using. So what you want to do first is make sure you got a clean face, which that I do. I wash my face, put a little bit of moisturizer on it, and then I'll need to go wet my beauty blender. My baby's trying to sleep. Here's the damp beauty blender. So first thing I want to do is spray my face the MAC Prep and Prime. Prep and Prime. My new makeup brushes that my cousin got me for Christmas. Shout out to her. Now I will be applying, no, I lied. Now I will be applying the e.l.f. If it's not dried up, y'all, like, so boom. So step, I don't know. Now I'm going to be adding this. I'm not going to do my eyebrows, and oh, I got something to show y'all. This is not the lashes that I'll be using. I shouldn't have, but if I can find some glue, I will be adding my lashes from my lash line Veil Lash Co. on as well. So that's just in case I can find some glue, which I highly doubt. So my foundation done halfway dried up too, y'all. Oh yeah, by the way, the primer, you can spray it on before and after. So I'm gonna let this sit, you feel me? Then I'm gonna take this right here, Pro Contour Concealment. Let me see if I got some in here. So now, next, what I'm gonna do, what do I do next? Next, what I'm gonna do is, I might do some contouring. Hold on, let me see. The e.l.f. and I'm gonna be using probably right here, and probably add a little black ombre, like a little ombre, you feel me? I'll probably put this at the end. So me, I like to put this on my eye and then like pat it in, you feel me? So whenever I get to put on, you can see the colors, cause like my skin, like, screenshot this, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do, look at this shit. So I'm gonna place this in a brick. I think that's the brush, I don't know. But I'm gonna place. But if I don't have like no clear dang on glue, I'm putting hair glue on. Period. So I don't even think I'm gonna do that. But yeah. So at this point, when I get ready to go right here, I'm gonna switch brushes. This brush, and I'm going to put it in this area. I'm gonna blend it in. So you see the look I'm getting for. Okay. On to the next. On to the next. Stop. Now I'm going to the other side. Oh shit. Yo. Put two. The girl forgot how to do her makeup. Like, that's crazy, yo. So, here's the look. I ain't got no glue, y'all. I ain't got no glue. Let me see how this gonna look. I want to see how it look. It's a no. I think I'm beautiful with or without lashes. So, and there goes my child opening the door, like she like a dang on, like she owned me. But yeah, y'all. So I don't put no highlighter on. I don't do none of that. I don't do none of that, son. I don't do none of that. But yeah. So that finishes that. Now I'm going to add the best. So yeah, now I'm gonna spray down my face. And let it sit. Oh yeah, my translucent powder. You know what, motherfucker, I might as well use this. But yeah, so I'm gonna let that sit. Thumbnail. I think I'm gonna start my own merch. Like finesse. Let me stop. I don't know. So, and I'm going to wipe this off because I don't want this to sit on my face too long. So here's the finished look. Here's the finished look. I don't like the way this looks. Oh, I got something for that. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this and put it on my face.
Now this is the finished product. I didn't put no lashes on. Y'all saw what I put on my face. I look like, I really can't see. But this is the finished look. Lipstick and all, period. But yeah, this is my natural beat, you guys. Something real quick, something real simple. Golden black, brown, nudes, everything like that. I'll leave what I use on my face in the description down below. Now make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn your post notifications bell on because I will be dropping videos. Be on the lookout for another video from me. Just make sure you got your post notification bell on and share. Get your friends to watch me do my makeup. That it makes sense, but yeah. And that's the end of this video. Period, poo. And I will be taking pictures so y'all guys can see. Period, poo. Deuces.
It's time to get it, girl.